Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking at dictionary in Python. So first we shall see what we mean by dictionary in Python. A dictionary is similar to lists. The difference being, in case of dictionary, the indices can be of any type. Dictionary consists of a set of key value pairs. In case of list, the indices can be only of the type integer. A list is an ordered sequence of objects, whereas dictionaries are unordered sets. But the main difference is that items in dictionaries are accessed via keys and not via their position. We can use arbitrary types as values in a dictionary, but there is a restriction for the keys. Only immutable data types can be used as keys. We can use a list or tuples as keys. The method dist is used to create an empty dictionary. Now we shall see how to create an empty dictionary. We can create a dictionary containing the marks of some students. We can name it student mks is equal to ICT. So this creates an empty dictionary first. Now in order to add key value pairs to it, what we can do is okay, so now we have added some key values to the dictionary std underscore mks. We can see what is contained inside the dictionary by printing it out. We can see all the input values are stored in this dictionary. Now operators on dictionary. There are certain methods which can be used on dictionary. For example, len is a operator used to find the number of stored entries inside a dictionary. Similarly, del d of k is used to delete the key k together with its value. K in d is used to find out whether if a key k exists in the dictionary d. Similar to that is the k not in d. It returns true if the key k does not exist in the dictionary d. Now we can see the length of the dictionary. It shows that the number of elements inside the dictionary is 4. Now we can delete one item from this dictionary. Here I am deleting the rows. That is a key. I'm going to delete. Now we can see the dictionary again. Here we can see that the rows is deleted. Now only 3 items are there in this dictionary. We can check whether rows is present using it returned false, meaning that rows is now not present in the dictionary. Now dictionary methods. First one is pop. Pop removes the key K with its value from the dictionary D and returns the corresponding value as the return value. Pop item is a method of dictionary which doesn't take any parameter and removes and returns an arbitrary key value pair as a two tuple. Copy. A dictionary can be copied with the method copy. Then update. The update method merges the keys and values of one dictionary into another, overwriting values of the same key. Now we can define another dictionary, that is now I have defined another dictionary. Now this dictionary can be joined with the previous dictionary by using the update statement. You can see the merged dictionary. Now both the dictionaries are merged. Now if I use pop item, it removes the last item in the dictionary, which is Clara. Similarly, I can use pop and key to remove pop to remove set. It returns the value which is removed, that is set 56. Here you can see that Seth and Clara are removed. Here you can see that the dictionary std underscore mks is copied into mks underscore copy by using the copy method. Now next is accessing non-existent keys. If we try to access a non-existent key, then a key error is caused. So in order to avoid that, there are certain ways in which we can do that. Now for example, we try to use reference a key which is not present in this dictionary, then we get an error. That is key error. Now in order to avoid that, one way of doing it is we can use if rows here no error is caused, since we are verifying whether the key rows is present in std underscore mks. Another way of doing it is by using the get method. It returns none if the key is absent in the dictionary. So the error is avoided. Now next is iterating over a dictionary. We can iterate over a dictionary by using the for loop. Here I am iterating through the items using the for loop. Similarly, I can also iterate through the key and the only the names are printed out, which are the keys. Now next is list from dictionary. In this we can see how to get a list from a dictionary. Here by using the list command, here we have converted the dictionary into a list of tuples containing the key value pairs. Next is dictionary from list. In this we shall see how we can get a dictionary from two lists. Okay, for that we can consider two lists having the same number of elements. That is, first list is the names. For converting these two lists into a dictionary, we shall use a method known as zip. Zip is a method used to take in two iterables and then return a object. And dict is used to convert the object which is returned from zip to a dictionary. You can see that the two lists are now combined together to form a dictionary. Now we can see a program to find out the number of letters in a word. That is, if we enter a word, the number of occurrences of each character will be displayed. For that, we use a dictionary. In this, a variable word x takes the input from the user, and a LTR-ZTR is a dictionary, which is an empty dictionary. Now, as we iterate through the word, we input values into the dictionary. That is, if the letter X is in the dictionary, we will increment the value by 1. Else, we put the value equal to 1. Then, the dictionary is converted to a list and is printed out. So we can see the program in action. Now we can enter a word is envelope, and we get the output as the occurrences of each character in the word. That is, A occurs one time, N occurs one time, T occurs one time, E occurs two times, L occurs one time, O occurs one time, and P occurs one time. Thank you.